Okay. Today, all right. That was the boss. Today, I'm going to try to do two impossible things. Number one, make my wife happy. Number two, get rid of this grease spot. Okay, so this is a pretty nasty stain. I had a car sitting here leaking oil for at least a couple of years. As we all know, the trick to cleaning up an oil spill is to clean it up while it's fresh. I obviously didn't do that, so now I'm going to have to try some drastic measures. The first thing I'm going to try is the environmentally friendly tree hugger way to do that, which is Dawn dishwashing liquid. Should take up most of the surface oil. Okay, that seemed to have worked somewhat. It seems to have lightened up the stain and got most of the surface grease off of the driveway. Next thing I'm going to try is grease lightening, which is also a liquid degreaser. Okay, well, it's definitely an improvement. It did make the stain much lighter. I think I'm going to have to follow up on this with some more drastic measures. But for the time being, it's not too bad. I give myself a C+. It lightened the stain significantly. We'll just have to see what the boss thinks about it. I'm sure I'm going to have to come back with some trisodium phosphate or acid or something much stronger to get the remaining stain off of here, but I think that did a pretty good job of lightening the stain. It's no longer greasy. You will not track oil in the house by walking over it anymore. I'm going to have to do a follow-up video on this and try something a little stronger. Thanks for watching.